Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Graphics by Alex, man. I'm back with another video. I know it's been so long. I've just been busy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been busy with school. Nah, I'm not in school right now. I've been busy with work. Nah, I don't work that much. I've been busy with projects, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been doing a lot of projects, a lot of, like, custom shit, like, doing covers for people. Like, it's been great, so I'm not complaining. Anyways, I'm here, you know, I had some free time, so I thought, why not film this little video, this little design video. So here you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I don't really care, but that's cool if you do it. Like, if you subscribe, that's really cool. If you watch this video and you don't subscribe, then that's pretty fucked up. Like, I mean, at least give me a like, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's cool. Like, I really ain't out here chasing numbers, but it'd be nice. Like it would be nice if you know what I'm saying, like, gave me up. Anyways, you guys, if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. I do post my art on there every single day. So if you want to see some new art daily, that's actually really good. And I'm not too bad with, you know, creating the art. So if you guys want to see some good art, man, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Graphics by Alex. I do post on there daily, like I said, and it's all fire. Anyways, look, I'm talking too much, man. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do all that shit I said. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace. I'm out. Bye.
Young Enzo.